Now, in this question, it says that Jesse, Aaron, and Dawn shared a sum of money in the ratio of 4:5:6, correct? So J, all right, J is to A is to D, shared 4:5:6. Am I making sense here? All right, now, then after that, we continue on. We realize that Aaron spent what? 3/10 of his money. Now, what does that mean to you? Aaron is 5 units, correct?
Yeah.
He did not spend everything. He spent 3/10. Now, whenever you see something like that, you need to ask yourself, okay? If I were to do 3/10 times 5 units, right? I'm gonna get a very odd number. Try, press your calculator.
It's 1.5.
Yeah, I don't want that. I want a whole number. You understand what I'm saying? So what can I do? You all understand, right? Ratio is like equivalent. You all know equivalent fraction? If I were to do it to this, is it possible also?
Yes.
Is it still the same thing? It's 8, 10, 12. You all know how I got 8, 10, and 12? How? You times 2, correct or not? Why am I doing that? Because I look at the denominator. If the denominator is 10, I change it to 10. Understand what I'm saying? It's easier that way. Can? Alright, so 3/10 of his money means what? He only minus how much? 3 units. Agree so far?
Yeah.
Alright, then you see. Easier, right? Then you put 1.5 unit. You understand what I'm saying? So we are just going to draw a table. Okay, it's easier that way, This is before and after, right? So what we have is J, we have A, and then we have D. You understand so far?
Okay.
All right, before, change, after. Understand? Before, change, after. Am I making sense here? All right, so J, how many units? 8 units. Agree so far?
Yeah.
Then this one, 10 units.
units.
Agree? Am I making sense here?
Yeah,
All right, and then for D, 12 units. Agree so far?
Yes.
All right. Now we know that Aaron spent 3/10 of his money, right? Wow, you don't even need to do 3/10 times 10 units because you already know, right? That it is just minus 3 units. Okay. All right. So this is almost like fractions before and after, isn't it? Right? Dawn spent 1/6 of her money. Now remember, right? I say what off means times, right? What is her money? 12 units, correct or not? What is 1/6 of her money? Simply just 2 units. Agree? How many of you don't understand? Can I?
Yeah.
1/6 of her money, you just do 1/6 times 12. If you are really, really uncertain, then never mind. You can just write over here 1/6 times 12/1. Can you see that? What do? You cancel. Agree so far? This becomes 1, this becomes 2. Isn't it true to say that this is minus 2 units? You understand so far, everyone? Okay, do you understand so far? Okay, so over here, what do you get? You get 10 units. Agree so far? Oopsie, I forgot about Aaron. I should put 7 units over here for Aaron. Agree? You all know how I got 7 units? 10 minus 3, yeah? Jesse spent half is the easiest really. Okay, half of the amount of money Aaron and Dawn spent. Not half of her money. Half times what? The amount of money Aaron and Dawn spent. What is the amount of money that Aaron and Dawn spent? 5 units. What is half of 5? 2.5. All right. So you have to put minus 2.5 units. Understand so far?
Yeah.
All right. 2.5 units is pretty good number, right? So 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 0.5, 5.5 units. Understand what I'm saying? Am I making sense here? Now, this is when you realize, right? So you only have 2 options, right? If they give you the total, you add everything up together. Agree? Now, but did the question give you the total? No. The question says, Aaron had $60 less left than Dawn in the end. Thank you. Aaron is 7 units, right? Dawn is 10 units, right? Aaron is 7 units. Dawn is 10 units. Am I making sense here? So $60 is how many units?
3 units.
Thank you. So 3 units is equals to $60. Am I making sense here? Find Mr. Greenman. That gives me $20. Am I making sense here? Read the question. Sorry, I apologize for that. $20. Right? So you read the question. How much money did the 3 of them have altogether? At first. Oh my goodness. How many units? Lina, can you tell me? 20 or 30? 10 plus 12 is already 22, right? 22 plus 8, 30 units. Can you all see that? You understand what I'm saying? 30 units, right? So that gives me what? 2 times 3, 6, right? So $600. Can you all see that?
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? A, Done. Agree so far? Let's take a look at B. Let's take a look at B. B says find the ratio of the amount of money left for Jesse to Aaron to Don. Okay. Now when that happens, right? You want to find, okay, what you want to do. What I want you all to do is let's find who first? They say who first? Jesse, right? Let's find Jesse. Jesse, how many units? 5.5 units, correct? So that gives you 20 times 5.5. Agree or disagree? They say in the end, right? Left. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, so you press your calculator because how much?
110.
Very good. 110. Agree? Then for Aaron, it's 7 units, right? So 7 units. So 7 units equals to 20 times 7. That gives me 140. Is it dollars or what? Yeah, $140. Agree so far? Then this 110 has to be in dollar sign as well. Correct? D is how many units? 10 unit. So 10 unit, that gives me $20 times 10. That gives me $200. Agree so far? Now, express this in ratio. How? How to express this in ratio? Yeah, put them side by side. They say what? Jesse to Aaron to Don, right? So Jesse to Aaron to Don, it is simply just 110 is to 140 is to 200. Now, please, yes, thank you. Don't leave it as such. You understand or not? 110 can be divided by 5. 140 can be divided by 5. 200 can be divided by 5. Well, okay, fine. You want to divide by 10? Then we divide by 10, okay? So that get you to 11, 14, 20. Can I further divide?
No.
By 2? 11 cannot be divided by 2. You understand what I'm saying? So therefore your answer has to be 11 is to 14 is to 20. And